Hey guys, today we're going to be decorating for Christmas. In this video, I'm basically just going to be transforming my whole entire room space into the most holiday Christmas themed space. As you can see, we're still in fall right now, and that needs to change because Thanksgiving is tomorrow and tonight I don't really have anything to do except get into the Christmas spirit. So let me give you guys a little bit of an overview of what my room looks like right now. It's honestly kind of messy with the bedding and everything, but as you can see, I just have a lot of fall decor. And then over here with my mirror, you can also see I have a lot of like fall decor and stuff like that. I need to completely redo this. My desk is also still fall-like with the like candles and the little decorations. I actually went through all the fall candles I bought in my fall room makeover, so we don't need to store away any fall candles. We just need to buy some Christmas ones. I think I have one in storage. I'll double check. And then the only other fall thing I have in my room is probably this chair with this blanket and those two pumpkins. And then for my bathroom over here, it's not much, but I do have some fall decor here, like this pumpkin and then these little mini pumpkins I ended up putting in this little basket. And then on the shelves above my toilet, little fall leaves and like decor. But that is pretty much the overview. As of right now, I want to pull out all of my old decorations from Christmas from last year's video. It's not a ton of stuff, but I also want to be aware of what I already have before I go to Target in a little bit, just so I don't end up buying more stuff I don't need and buying duplicates of things. But yeah, I think we're about to get started. If you guys like these types of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you guys like to see more content like this. I forgot I made it really easy for myself last year and I ended up putting all of my Christmas decorations in one big box. As you can see, we got like the tree. These are all of my ornaments for the tree. Garland. I totally forgot I owned all of this stuff. Looks like we got some very, very cute stuff. Now looking at this, I'm kind of aware of what I have. I think I might want to switch up my color of the tree this year. I only have these ornaments and I might want to buy some new ones. I definitely want to get more stuff like this though. I feel like this is so cute. Anyways, let's head to Target. Hey guys, we are back from Target and I'm gonna give you guys a huge haul of everything I got. First off is the bedding. I actually forgot to show you guys what I had. This is the pillow I actually have. I ended up getting another blanket. I thought that it would look good either on my chair over there or on my bed. And it has some green detailing in here to then match these pillows I got for my bed. I think these are so, so cute. And then for the new pillow, I got this one for the middle piece and it's got trees on it. It's actually very similar to the one I had on my bed last year, except it's all green instead of this one which has red in it. Next up, there was a sale on the wrapping paper. This is pretty self-explanatory on why I got this. These are the cute patterns. Let's start off with the candles. First off, I got this really big candle and this one is eggnog latte. The way this smells so freaking good, it's just insane. And then I got peppermint snow. I don't know, I don't really smell much peppermint in it. I just thought it looked cute. It's like blue. I really like the colors. And then I got this one which was called Christmas cheer. I actually really like the smell of this one. If you had to envision what Christmas smelled like, it would smell like this, where this one is a little bit more sweet food like. This one's more like just Christmas. I don't know how else to describe it. Then I got this one which was in the holiday like dollar section area. Under on the tag it says it's called Frosted Winter Pine. This could be used all winter for me. I did get some ribbon. This is just also for gift wrapping. Then I got this garland. Still thought that this would look good with the garland I already have. It kind of gives off the same effect. I hope this is long because I plan on putting this around my mirror. Okay, this isn't that long. Like this could be a necklace. Anyways, then I got these candies, peppermint truffles. I have this little plate and I think that this would look really cute. Then I got like 3 different trees. The first one is this one. I was thinking about putting this one actually in my bathroom, but I might end up putting this on my desk. I just think this is so cute. And then I got this one. I could not resist getting this. As soon as I saw this in the store, I was like, oh my god, this is so gorgeous. And then I actually got a whole new set of ornaments, but it didn't have a price tag on it and I didn't realize that until I got up to the register thing. It was the self-checkout and I was trying to scan it and I didn't see a scanner like barcode. And so I asked the guy, I was like, hey, this doesn't have a barcode, like what do I do? And he was like, oh, like if there's no barcode you can't get it. So I was like, okay, then take it back. Like I don't know what else I was supposed to do. And the store literally was closing in like 3 minutes, so I couldn't go run back and tell him how much it was or get a new one with a barcode. So I just didn't end up getting those. Thankfully it was something I already had. Anyways, let's keep going. guys what my bed is looking like. I'm honestly obsessed except for the blanket. I don't really like the blanket, so I might end up actually switching out that blanket to this one right here, and I think it would just complement the pillows better. I personally don't want to, just because that blanket was on my bed last year, but I feel like it still looks different just because I changed all of the pillows this year. There's not a single holiday pillow that's on my bed from last year. I also just feel like this blanket right here would look so much better on this chair. I ended up taking off the orange plaid blanket, and I think it would look so much better with the red on here. But as you guys can see, I'm putting away my fall blankets in this bin right here. Okay guys, this looks so much better. I definitely feel like the green is a little bit more cohesive on my bed. Although I did put both of my blankets on. I don't know if this looks weird, but I kind of like it, just like the two blankets. Although this chair, I don't know what to do with it. I personally like this side of the pillow more, but when I flip it over, this is literally just like snowflakes. Although it does look a little bit better now that it's green because it contrasts. I know that this pillow would look better on this chair, but I really want the new pillow to shine on my bed for a little bit, so maybe I might change it later or something like that. I honestly like how that looks so much that I don't want to mess it up. I think I'm gonna try to decorate my plant and mirror now with this garland, and then also these old flowers right here. I feel like it would look so good in this little hanging plant I like to decorate here. Guys, look how cute that is. You can see I put a little flower and the garland in the plant right there, and it's so cute because this is where I take my pictures, like in my mirror. And I think I made up my mind for my mirror. I'm gonna put this garland around my mirror and then also mix it with these lights. You guys, I really like how this turned out. And now I think we're gonna put all these little things on my desk and set up my Christmas tree. That's all gonna go here, so we need to move off a lot of these like fall decor things. Start off with the tree now. I think this is like the main thing, and that'll kind of almost finalize my room in a sense. I've had this thing for years. I'm pretty sure I found it at like a thrift store. And then I also have these fairy lights. These are from Amazon. And then obviously we have the ornaments. These are from Target. And then I also have this little cat ornament. And then this garland I also want to wrap around the tree. Both are from Target. It's already making a mess on my desk, but now we're gonna do the garland and the ornaments. Here is the tree. She's looking very pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. This made my desk so messy. I'm definitely gonna have to wipe this up, but it looks so cute on my desk. But I think this is what we're kind of going for this corner of the desk. Anyways, let's get going with the last thing right there. This thing literally just fell off the table, and now there's glass everywhere. This was a Christmas candle from last year. We're gonna have to vacuum this real quick. Actually, I don't know why I'm saying vacuuming. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to vacuum glass, and you're supposed to sweep it. My nightstand looks like. I honestly love how it turned out. And then I also really like this dish of candies. I think it's super simple, really cute. He honestly looks the best on the green. I think his orange fur looks so much better on the green bed, right? Guys, I think my room is pretty much done. The only thing we have left to do now is the bathroom. Oh my gosh, you You guys, I'm obsessed with my bathroom. Here's my counter. I really like this. And then over here, my shelves are slightly different. I added a golden tree right there and then this one right here. I really like how this tree looks with this little like thing behind it. And then I just decided to put this one up there because I didn't know what else to do with it. Okay guys, I'm pretty much done decorating my room now. I'm now gonna show you guys what my room looks like in the daytime and then also in the nighttime with the crazy lights on. And then I'm also gonna give you guys a full in-depth room tour where I'll tell you guys where everything is from in my room and just kind of walk you guys through what my room looks like currently right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this whole like kind of decorate with me process. I love doing these. Okay guys, it is currently the next day and I'm going to give you guys a huge overview of my room and just tell you guys where everything is from. And if you have any questions and if I didn't answer anything on where something's from, just leave a comment down below. I will try my best to get back to you guys, but let's get started. First off, this is where you enter. I have 2 doors here and then as you guys can see, I have my LED lights going around it. I have 3 different strips. Some go around this window, some go around this door, and then some go around this mirror. I will link them down below, but they're from Govee on Amazon. You guys also asked how I do the Christmas light thing. Govee has like a LED light controlling app and I can just control the lights that way. So on my door, I just have some bags here. This bag is from Brady Melville. These are just like other bags I've kind of collected over the years of tote bags and then some masks. And then if you go to the side here, I have this chair. I genuinely don't know where it's from. And then I have this blanket here, which is from Target. And then this pillow here, which is from Target, as you guys saw in this video. Then these little photos that are all along this whole entire wall are from Tezza. No, I did not print out every single one of them individually. You can order these online and they send you like a ton of photos and you can just put them up like this. Although I'm kind of getting sick of it, so I might redo it soon. So this might be the last time you see it. I don't know. And going over here, you have my windows and then my desk area right here. My desk is from IKEA and then my chair is also from IKEA and I just have this leather jacket on here. And then I just have my MacBook. I have my phone and then I have this little area. This thing is from Target. Both candles are from Target. This little tree thing is also from Target. And then I have my jewelry box. I love this thing so much and I actually just got it off Amazon. There's so many jewelry like organizer things in here and I just store all of my stuff in here. And then over here I have my mirror. This mirror is also from Amazon. Yeah, it has like little lights so you can see everything and really nice to do your makeup with. And then over here I have this little cup holder thing with all of my pens and pencils and scissors. And then I have this little glass mason jar thing and this is where my like LED lights, controllers are and some chapstick and hand cream. And then over here I have some journals. I have the 5-minute journal and then these other journals. I just get them at Target. Then I have my tree. This tree, I don't know where it's from. I told you guys earlier, I just genuinely forget. I'm pretty sure I found it at like a thrift store. And then I have these ornaments and garland, which is from Target, along with this little cat ornament. And then the fairy lights are from Amazon. The same exact lights that are around my mirror over there as they are on my tree. And then moving up from my desk, I have this little hanging plant. The plant and the hanging pot thing are from IKEA. And then I have these little decorations in here, this garland and this little flower thing. These are both from Target as well. Literally everything in my room is from Target, but honestly, that's just where I get all of my room decor and stuff like that. It's either Target or Amazon. Moving down here, we have my bed area. So as you guys can see up on top here, I have these curtain lights. These are from Amazon and I got them in the warm white setting. I've had a few people comment like which hue I got them in because they have it in like a cooler tone as well, but these are the warm white setting. And then I have these vines that go all the way around and up in here, and these are from Amazon. Then going down here to my bed is from IKEA. This is the Hemnes Day bed. I always get questions on this and it has storage under it and it also pulls out into like a king size bed. Highly recommend this bed. The only thing is it does have like really thin mattresses. You have to buy 2 of them and then they stack on top to make the twin and they spread out to make the like king bed. And if you're not bothered by like thinner firm mattresses, I would recommend it, but it's definitely not for someone who likes the more softer and like thick mattresses, I would say, because it might not be as comfortable. But for me, I personally don't care and and I think it's comfortable enough. As for the blankets and pillows, this one is from Target. This one I get a lot of questions on. It's from Pottery Barn. And then I have these 3 pillows from Target. These 2 I think are from TJ Maxx. This pillow is actually from Walmart. Highly recommend it. I use it all the time whenever I'm like editing on my desk. And then I just have some bedding back there. It looks really, really bad. I'm trying to find a place for it. I think it just is gonna have to stay there when I do these seasonal decorational videos because I don't know where to put any of my normal bedding. And then over here I have my sliding mirror doors. This is where my closet is. I just did a closet clean out. If you guys want to see it, I'll put it up in the eye. But we actually ended up purchasing these and putting them in ourselves. There used to be doors on here, and these sliding mirror doors are from Lowe's, I want to say. I have the link, it'll be in the description box. And then down below here we have my nightstand, this little basket thing that holds all of my other blankets in here. This is from IKEA. I highly recommend it, and I honestly just move this right over to my bed over here at night when I need a nightstand. And then up on top of the nightstand we have this lamp thing. This is actually from Pottery Barn, and I actually really like this, and it has like a wireless charging thing here, so I actually charge my phone on it, and I even have a charger cord plugged in here as well. And then I have some books stacked up here, and then this eggnog latte candle, which is from Target. And then I have this tray thing. I think I thrifted this tray. I'm not sure where I got it from. And then I have these Lindor little candies, and then I got this little tree thing here as well, which is from Target. Moving on from this nightstand, we have my mirror area thing here. Once again, we have the collage wall. This is on the same wall. And then I have these fairy lights that go around it. These fairy lights are from Amazon, and then this like tinsel like sparkle garland and this garland are from Target. And then the vine thing I have here is from Amazon. It's in the same pack that these vines were from. As you guys can see, my collage wall is falling off. Just don't look at it too much. Once again, I might redo it. But yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up this whole Christmas decorating video. I hope you guys enjoyed this first seasonal video out of many. Please expect a Christmas wish list video coming soon, and then also just a lot of other festive fun vlogs in my newly decorated Christmas room. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like these types of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I would really, really appreciate it if you want to. And then also, if you made it up to the end of this video, comment down below this secret Christmas emoji. It's like a little secret, so I know who's watching up to the end of my videos in the comments. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!